Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. At mamayang gabi po ay mag-celebrate na po tayo ng ating Christmas. So ito mas maganda ang mga putahing ito sa handaan during holidays. So tignan nyo guys, ang sarap nito. Ayan, may puto cheese, may pichi-pichi, chicken cordon, at ayan si ako. Chicken cordon, magpakabata-bata tayo ng kahit paminsan-minsan. Ayan po to cheese, maha blanca, fresh lumpia, fried chicken, seafood. Sarap niyan. Caldereta, macaroni, pork lechon, yan ang pinakasarap. Pansit, bami, yimakik. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ato ito. Parang butchi-butchi with cheese. Ito, minatamis ito. Ito yung bagoongang, binagoongang talong, eggplant. Chocolate maroon. Ayan, ito yung biko with cheese. Sarap nito. Pero, ingat-ingat sa mga may mga, puto cheese, puto plan, cheesecake. Ito yung pork chop sisig. Ayan, pork chop sisig. Ang sarap niyan. Kung lagyan ng mayonnaise, shumai. Pork barbecue. Pork chop. Ayan, apretada guys. Menudo, ang sarap. Chop suey. Ito yung hindi ko alam ito yung alam ko itong pero hindi ko mabigkas siya. Ayan. Ayan, pili lang kayo dyan. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Ayan, thanks for watching guys. Pili kayo kung anong gusto nyong ihanda for tonight or for this Chinese New Year. So, take a look. So yummy. Very yummy. So, very yummy. Ayan. I delete the music because of copyright. So, I need to add my own voice so that no any copyright. So, take a look. Ang sarap. Thanks for watching. Ayan yung spaghetti, buko salad, fruit salad. Ayan. Yan ang sarap. Ayan. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. O, ayan. Sarap Super yummy talaga. Super yummy. Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year. Malapit na po. So, ingat lagi. At magdasal tayo lagi. Nagabayan tayo ni Lord sa araw-araw. Thank you. God bless.